Justice League. Fat Panda. I'm the big fat panda.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true.